Hi everyone, we are building ZeroMove, the remix for Aptos ecosystem. This is our agenda for today's pitch. The key problems that exist are high friction for new users, complex and heavy CLI setup, no browser-based development tool or deployment tool, no fully integrated environment for Aptos, and a very high and steep learning curve for anyone building on the Aptos ecosystem. Now let's talk about the market opportunity. EVM and SVM chains have Remix and Solana Playground to write, test, and deploy their smart contracts. But this is where the white space is in Aptos. Developers have to juggle through CLI, SDK, and multiple manual steps just to deploy a single smart contract. They have no tool which unifies everything and makes their life easy. Our solution is ZeroMove. It's a browser-based IDE with all the features required for developing on Aptos. It has one-click deployment, move intelligence, multi-network development support for testnet, devnet, or mainnet, and agentic smart contract writing tool where you can write complete smart contracts, third-party module integration like Pith, Chainlink, Wormhole, and as well as project sharing. So this is our project ZeroMove. So first the user needs to select their network environment and then connect their wallet. Once this step is done, they can open the file explorer. From here, they can create a new project from here. They can select a template to start by, name it, and create a project. Now they can view the move code and the toml file where the address is automatically populated. So they can also now click on the compile button. The project has been compiled. So now the user can click the deploy button and deploy the smart contracts directly through our platform. And they can view the transaction in the explorer. So yeah, then they can see the transaction directly in the explorer. So now also we have incorporated third-party module integrations where the user can just select here and select the module that they want to integrate into their own contract. For they can select multiple and then click add dependencies, and it will be automatically adding and configuring the project, and they can see it in the toml file also. Things are automatically managed by our system. So now the user can also share their project. They will just click the share button. They will select the project that they want to share. They will click the generate share link. The link will be given to them. They can copy it. I am just opening a new private tab to demonstrate this. I will click create new project, import from share link. I will paste the link here and create the project. So it says project imported successfully. I can now see this was the code that was here. Now let's see the working of the AI agent. We will just instruct it to write a smart contract. Now we can see we have got the output code and compile it. If we have got an error, we can copy the error that we got and paste it into the agent again. Now we have got the code again. We will repeat the cycle. Now we can see that the compilation has been successful, and now we can just deploy the smart contract. And you can see that it has been deployed successfully. Now let's see how the user can test their smart contracts. We will move to the testing menu. We got the contract from here. Here we have three things. First, let's initialize the to-do list. The to-do list has been initialized. We can see the output successfully what it has. Next, we can just add a task. It has successfully processed it. We can now just give it the index where we want to complete our task. We can just approve the transaction, and yes, our task has been completed. Now let's talk about the things that prove the value of our project, where we were able to acquire almost 74 unique users just within a couple of days, and we also were able to help communities like Ryzen onboard a lot of developers into the Aptos ecosystem. Now the question is, why Aptos? The reasons we already know are low fees, fast transactions, strong growth in RWAs, and all those things. But also, Aptos needs faster developer onboarding and easy development environment. Education-focused ecosystem helps ZeroMove become the starting point for Move devs. A steady influx of new developers on Aptos can be boosted by ZeroMove. So now let's talk about the GTM strategy. We were collaborating with Aptos developer ecosystem, hackathons, YouTube, and interactive tutorials to onboard new Move developers at scale. Key statements of promotions will be the fastest way to prototype on Aptos, interactive developer quests, AI contract challenges, community-led growth, and partner with the Aptos Foundation to feature on the official docs. These are the help we need from the Aptos assembly program. First is the technical support in the refining our library integration and making our agentic AI pipeline more robust and more accurate. Additionally, we need the funding for the development and scaling of the application to a mass audience, and also help regarding promotion in hackathons, Twitters, and the other social media channels. Let's talk about the milestones of our project. The first date focus on the foundation and the core development and setting things up for the launch. The second is on the March for the public launch and the developer acquisition targets. The third is the May of 2026. It includes feature expansion and developer experience boost. And the fourth one is on the August, where we implement advanced features and fuel on the community growth for our project ZeroMove. So this is our team, Surya Shishkundu and Sandeep Pal. We are full stack blockchain devs building on Web3 for the last 1 year. Thank you everyone for your valuable time for our project ZeroMove.